Dua while exit from home. Bismillahi tawakkaltu AlAllahi, la hawla quwwata illa billah. In the name of Allah, I trust in Allah. There is no might and no power but in Allah. Rasulullah Sal-Allahu said, when a person goes out of his house and says these words, the following will be said to him from Allah at that time: you are guided, defended and protected. The devils will go far from him, and another devil will say, how can you deal with a man who has been guided, defended and protected? Sunan Abu Dawud, Sahih.